Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how to connect your Bluetooth mouse to your Mac Air M3. Now it's pretty simple. Okay, so in the top left corner, press on the Apple and then System Preferences. And then from here, you're going to click on Bluetooth. Okay, so first make sure it's turned on. Now after that, you're going to grab your mouse. Now every mouse has a different type of syncing mechanism, so you want to make sure you know how to do that, how to sync it. And you also want to make sure your mouse is Bluetooth, because some of them are different type of wireless connections. So for me, I turn it on, and then I hold down on this button right here until it flashes. You guys should see it listed. So I'm going to press this icon, and then press Connect. And you guys see it's connected. So just moving it around like this, I can navigate anywhere on the screen. And also just to disconnect it. Just right-click and press Forgot, and then press Forget Device to confirm it.